Hey guys, how is it going? Before we went to the carnival in Rio de Janeiro, we spent the weekend with Edu's family in Santos. There we went to a fish market, cooked together some delicious shrimps. I originally wanted to make a cooking videos about the shrimps, but we drank so much cachaça and I was not able to think properly anymore. Hey guys, how are you doing? Today we're cooking in Santos. Hi guys, how are you doing? Today is cooking time in Brazil, Santos. We're here with Marta, Juliana, and in the back Edu. We're preparing some shrimps and some rice. We also spent some quality time at the beach in Santos. A few days later we visited our friend Reneta in Jundiai. There we made a trip to her coffee company Kaisara. Unfortunately we couldn't record inside of the factory, but that wasn't a big problem. Later that night we also cooked together some Brazilian barbecue. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Bye guys. More power. The meat is waiting. Power of meat. That will be fun.